how to find who can access your account on Godaddy, easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to find who can access your account. First open your browser and now click first click account settings, and now once you're here click my profile and then scroll down until you find delegate access, and here we'll find people who can access your account. And now if you want to give anyone the permission to access your account, just click here, click invite to access and type the name of that person and then his email, and then select anything you want here, access level, and click invite. I hope that can help you, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.